Do you still wash your underwears by hands? Since using this folding mini washing machine, completely free my hands. No need to wash underwears, socks, baby underwears by hands. 6L large capacity for 60W high power motor washing. Built-in blue light sterilization and imitation hand wash spiral function. Dry directly after washing, convenient and fast. Washing one time only needs 0.01 degree of electricity, energy saving and environmentally friendly. Fold it to save space when not in use. Very convenient to carry for business trip or travel. Order now can also enjoy the manufacturer's half price discount. Buy early and enjoy early. Come and snap up.